And here we talk about the keyframing. We delete this one, leave this one. For the keyframing, and here you see some of the effects, some of the standard effects have been, by default it had been enabled. Like the opacity as the toggle animation button have been enabled. That means when you change the value, they set a keyframe on it, on this opacity, on this level bypass, like this. Whatever you change the value, they set a keyframe on it. Like the one I changed the volume, so they set a keyframe on it here. That means in here you set the keyframe. They set some keyframe holding the parameter on a holding the value on a parameter, and they keeping this in that position, and you set a 2 keyframe, for example, 2 keyframe in this case. So this keyframe is a minus 8.4 decibel for the volume. They will increase to this keyframe. To this keyframe is 3.6 decibel. So the computer will calculate in between these 2 keyframes for you. They will increase from minus 8.4 decibel to 3.6 decibel, like this. So they calculate the change, the value change over time in between the 2 keyframes here. As you see in here, if you want, you can delete or remove the keyframe. Like the one, you can disable the keyframing. You click on this icon. This will give you a warning box. This action will delete existing keyframes. Do you want to continue? Yes. So this will remove the keyframe from this parameter. When you enable key, you set a keyframe, go to another position, you change the value, you set another keyframe, like this. So you can enable or disable a Jamaican keyframe on the parameter, on the specific parameter in here. And in here they have some option, like the one they have keyframe on it. You can also change the behavior on the keyframe, how they change value over time. Like this one, the value change over time constantly. Here you see the velocity. The velocity here, you see the between the keyframe in here is constantly. That means the value change constantly on between this keyframe. And if you want to increase the accelerator, the clip, so you can right click and select Bezier. So you can make it here, so the value change over time, accelerator, the changing of the value over time. So you can achieve some result, special result, using the handle in here to adjust the curve. The curve is actually the computer calculate the value over time in here. So you change it like this. You can change the value, change the position in here, value position like this. So you can change that. You can change the velocity, reflect to the number change in here. The curve you change it, reflect to the velocity. And for me, I prefer to work on the curve in here, directly change the value over time and better change the velocity for me. If you want, you can change the velocity in here if you are familiar and you are comfortable with the changing the velocity in here to reflect the value change over time in here. That's up to you. And here you can do, of course, you can linear, that means constant change over time. Okay, Bezier, so you can take control on it. The value change over time, auto Bezier. continue measure, hold it in here. That means it keeping the value from this keyframe in this duration, keeping the same value, hold the value, so the volume holding on here. And here they have easy in, smooth in, and also easy out, like this, so you can adjust that. So you can make some natural variation over time, or some naturally behavior of the clip here. And here we have the here we have the number here, number 6 and minus infinity and 1 minus 1. What this number mean? This number is the same as you move the zooming in, zooming out in the timeline here. This you zoom in, zoom out. This horizontally, so you can zoom in and making some precise control in here. And here the vertically, you can zoom in, zoom out like this, so you can making some zoom in, zoom out on this. And the number here is actually the zoom in, zoom out vertically. This does not the number actually affect on the clip here. This just helping you to zoom in, zoom out to make control on the value in here. Like this the value zoom in, zoom out on the viewing area here. It's not actually affect on the value on the parameter. Okay, we can go back to here, and let's talk about, we remove all the keyframes from here, and we take control on here, and we have the current time indicator. This is the same number as the here, this current time indicator on here. And this zoom in, zoom out on the timeline here. You can zoom in, zoom out, and like this one, you cannot move the CTI outer the edge on the clip here. Like this, you cannot move outer than here, because the pin to clip have been enabled. When you disable it, so you can move outside the clip, and this is for helping you to set the keyframe on it. For example, you set a keyframe outside here, and then you set a keyframe inside the clip. For example, you change the value like this, and this will calculate move from here to here like this, and the value change not too much. Make it much like this, so you can take control how it's working, how the keyframe, the behavior work on it. From outside the clip, the value change in this way, so you can have more control about the keyframe behavior on it. You can take more control on it. And we can click on pin to clip here, go back to here. We can reset it, remove the keyframe, reset the value, go back to here. And here we have the option that play only the audio for this clip, play only this audio clip here. That means if there's some clip, for example, you have some clip, many clip like this, they have the audio on the timeline panel here. When you click this button, they play all this clip, this audio together. This for the audio mixing, the final result together, so you cannot hear any one of this. If you want to focus on the effect on any clip, on any audio clip here, so you can use this button to play only the audio clip for this clip. And in here, for example, you have adjust the volume on this clip, or you can apply some effect on it and you focus on it like this. I just want to check the balance on this clip, and I don't want to hear this clip at the same time. So that means I want to solo on this audio clip and check the result on the balance. So I can make it like this. So I can use this button. Oh, how come this mute? Yeah, and that's the volume. Yeah, I turn it back to 0, keeping the original audio volume here, and we check it here. So you can change the value, check the result, change the left and right like this. Or in here I can enable looping on this audio plate, so you can check it, and you can set the keyframe like this. You can enable keyframe in here, and we can change the value. You see, I set the keyframe at the same time. Okay, here you see I set many keyframes on here as I adjust the value with the toggle animation enabled. So I set the keyframe like this. Using the play only this audio from this clip, so I can focus on the effect in here and set the keyframe, adjust the keyframe like this. Okay, we delete this and we check it. What they have in here, they have the loop doing audio playback. This the option is same as this icon. You can click it on and off like this. Looping and audio units. Audio units, they give you more control on the audio editing. Like the frame base in the NTSC, that's about 1/30 units, so you can do that. Like the one, if I disable the audio unit, I have just very quickly we can trim this position, so we can delete this file, this audio portion in this clip. But somehow if I want to undo it, I want to remove only inside this clip the audio in here, but not here, just a little bit portion on it. In here I cannot remove inside it. And if I enable audio unit, so I can move inside the clip and more control on it like this. We can trim just little portion on the clip like this, so you can make more precise editing on the audio like this. In the frame base, that you can trim only in here and in here, but in audio unit space you can trim many precisely. You can go to more inside this, adjust that like this, so you can make it, you know, get already if you follow me working with the timeline panel. And in here we go back to here. We have the option in here, that's they have the option effect enable disable. That's very easy to understand. That's the same button as in here, same option. As you apply for example position, like move again here, when you enable this effect, they have the position in here. You disable it, they're keeping the default value on it. Enable, disable, just as you select the effect and select effect enable, effect disable like this, you just click this icon. That's much faster. And this is the same as you apply on some effect. You know it, you can apply video effect like this, and you can adjust its parameter in here like this, and you can enable and disable the effect like this, so you can check it in here. When enable, they taking effect apply on the clip. When disable, they had apply on the clip but had not enable. That means they put the effect on the clip but not apply it on it. Same as you enable here. Okay, we just delete it.